screen, which I have shared with you. So you can see the Photoshop window in your screen. Here I'll take a new window for the work. So today I'll give you some of the basic tools for the selection, for the cutting, for cropping in the Photoshop, which is a very much required and popular for the cutting and retouching process. So here I'll start with the first window, the first palette, which we call as a toolbar. And let's start. Okay, so this you can see this is the move tool, which is basically, as name suggested, move. It means we have, if we have to move something from one place to another place in a same window or same artboard, if we want to one place to the another artboard, so that is a useful tool over there. So let we start from here. First, we need to select any object, then we can move that object one place to another. So here you can see there is a selective tool, basic selective tool, the mark you tool, where the rectangle, elliptical, single row and single column. Single row is single column is as suggestion, name suggested for the single area. So let me just start with the rectangle. So if I need to select that object and then move to the another screen, I'll just click on the tool and then just use move tool for uh, transfer the image one place to another. And that window, that motif or that print, you can just increase or decrease the size with the help of transformation tool, which we generally use with the help of Control plus T, which is available in your keypad window. Okay, so if we need any other shape, again, like that, this is the same procedure. And then you can just, first I'll just open it. And then select, go to the move tool and transfer. Again, with the help of trans the size. So here you can see the center to normal. And these are the basic other cutting tool, which is helpful to object cutting shape. This is working as like a scissor. So from where you will start cutting, you have to continuously click on the left side of cursor. It means that works as like a normal cutting scissor or as knife. It will not automatically select the object or the shape. Go to the move tool and then transfer the image. Again, you can change the size. I'll also tell you how we can directly delete the background. Like here you can see the one common hue of the single color. So we can directly remove the background and then extract the motif or the subject we can call. So I'll tell you that tool also, but yes, first we'll start with some basic of tools. So I'm just now telling you the comparison between these three of cutting tool. First, I have cut it with the lasso tool. Now I'm just going to the another subtool of the lasso that is called as a polygon lasso. You can say this will be work as point to point. So where I have to move, I will left click on that particular area. And you can reshape also, like whenever you are selecting an area and that point you want accurate, you can use shape tool for reshape the object. So this is also used for cutting. Okay. So here also I'll just move it with the help of move tool. Okay. Now go to the third tool, magnetic lasso tool. Now it is a very interesting crisp because the magnetic works like a magnet. It is directly catch the edges and suggest you the curve point. Sometime if it is not taking any curve shape, you can use or you can just undo your last mistake with the help of backspace. Backspace is in your keyboard. That is basically again selection process. Oh my God, my cursor is just left in the middle. So I need to once again select problem. See, you can see this is very sharply catch the edges as it is magnetic tool. I'm just telling you for your understanding. Yeah. Again, move tool. With the help of transformation, Control plus T, you can change the size. So this was the second tool selection. Now I'm just moving to the third. So now you can see the difference between three of cutting. So this was, I have cut with the lasso tool. You can see exactly the cutting, the proper knife type cutting where we have a little curvy edge. And this is cutted by the Mulligan lasso tool. Here also the cutting was okay, but yes, not properly. And this is a proper full flares cutting. Here I have just moved it, but yes, this is also a very nicely cut the object or extract the object with the help of magnetic. Okay, so these are the four cutting tool. Okay, so now I'm moving to the next tool for selection. First, I'll deselect the object with the help of Control D. Now I'm just removing the background in a one background eraser tool. So I'll just take a magic eraser tool. Here you can see, so you can see at the time of selection, they are taking a same color background. So here shot and this background has a same color. So I will very carefully select the area. If I did the mistake, I will repeat the practice. So you can see whatever same shade available in the same area that will select by the magic eraser tool. Okay, So I'll apply on some other type of picture. Okay, let me just open it. So now you can see again the same color. It will be select by own. It means you need a separate background color. Then you can only delete the background wherever the same color shade, like here is in, and the same color is coming here, the light and dark of same color shade, so it will be directly delete your main area as well. Okay, so you need a separate color background, then only you can just use this object.